Welcome back, guys. Joe here with his brand new Remington 700 VTR. This is his new varmint gun. Beautiful gun. Has that triangular barrel. It's an OD green. I mounted his Coyote Special Nikon on it. Sharp looking gun. So we just got him. We're out here in the desert trying to spot him in. It's really windy out here. Pretty nice gun, huh?
Having a good time. Besides that, these guns are really sweet.
Yeah,
we're gonna try a couple shots out of this.
Take a few shots with it. He's gonna shoot that out there.
For 40 grade bullet, very nice.
Nice, Joe. All right. What do you think of that gun?
It's my favorite. Besides the knockout 1022.
Let's show them the ammo we're using here. We're using for our varmint hunting. We know there's better, like Hornaday, but we're using the Fiocchi 40 grain varmint loads. Neat looking round. So that's what we're going to use. We're trying to get these guns ready for November.
Bye bye coyotes.
And there goes the tag. Anyways, so beautiful day out here in the desert, other than it's really windy. So, but anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys.
Thank you, guys.